Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here market is trying to reverse, but market is not reversing. Yes, market is not reversing, but it's very fast. It's no problem. Market is really fast at this level. Maybe on the next candle buyers will enter. Let me draw the channel. Here is the channel. Market is at the channel, so buyers will enter. On the next candle market will reverse. Yes, market will reverse now, but the network is not nice. See, very fast, but no problem. This candle must be strong because of the movement of the market. You see, I tried to enter at this level, but market brought me up. But at least maybe market will reach this level here. Here market will reach this level or this level. This is the area. Or here, yes, market will reach this level. At least candle will close at this level or this level. You see rejection. This market is rejected. I place put option. I place put option at this level because of the rejection from this level. So I know definitely this candle will be rejected and create retracement candle for this upcoming uptrend. That's why I place my trade put option at this level. So you see strong sellers entry. It is a strong channel here. You can see, even though the network is not so nice, so I know this candle will be weak and it must close below my entry point. It will not pass this area now. See, the network is very slow. You see, this is the winning trade and this is the weak candle. If I get lower entry point, I'll place call option low. Yes, I place call option at this level because of this candle is weak candle. I know this is the retracement candle of this upcoming uptrend, so that's why I place my trade call option at this level. I know definitely this candle must be green candle because this is the upcoming uptrend and this candle is weak candle. This red candle is a retracement to this level, and this is like evening star here. You see, it's like evening star after this downtrend. You see, this is the reversal pattern, retracement, continuation. So that's why I place my trade. You see strong bias, so I place my trade on these 3 candles. I took total 3 trades, very quick and sharp trades, very nice trades because of the opportunity, good opportunity, and the movement of the market is very nice, even though my network is not so nice. You see here, let me explain. here my first trade. You see the movement of the market here. You see market is moving like this. So when market reaches this level, I know definitely because of this rejection from the round number, and you see buyer's entry from this weak candle. Market is trying to reverse from this level, but it didn't reverse because of this rejection from the round number and this candle, this red candle, pimba. This pimba didn't break the lower low of this doji, dragonfly doji. So I know definitely buyers will enter. So I try to enter because of my network is very slow. I try to enter at this level, but market brought me down and take me up to this level. But because of this situation, I know definitely this candle must be a green candle, because you see buyers entry, buyers entry, buyers entry, buyers entry. So that's why I know it will close above my entry point, and this is the channel. So this is the first trade. Then the second trade here, the second trade, you see this is the pattern, this is the channel here. You see this is the channel. I draw it and market rejected from the channel. So I know definitely next candle must be a red candle. So if this candle is strong candle, I will not place the next trade because market may go more down. So but because of this weak candle, after market rejected from this trend line, I know definitely next candle must be a red candle. That's why I place my trade put option. So the third trade is on this candle, is on this candle, because this candle is weak. It's like spinning top, has the same lower and upper shadow. You see lower and upper shadow are almost the same, and this is strong level, because you see here this is the resistance, this is the resistance, and this is the support, and this is the support, and you see the same low here and the same high here. So I know definitely, and this is another round number here, you see. That's why I know market definitely will reverse after this. This should be a retracement candle, because this is like evening star formation, a retracement, then continuation. So I know this candle must be green candle. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it for more video and updates. I will say thank you. Bye bye.